So people often ask from me, what is Kletta and what can I do with Kletta? Kletta is a modern accounting app designed for self-employed sole traders who want to do things easily on the go. With Kletta, you can, number one, claim expense receipts. When you buy supplies for your business, you will get a receipt. Then just open the Kletta app, select Scan Receipt, snap a picture of the receipt, press Analyze. Kletta will typically identify the supplier, amount and the date based on the receipt, and the only thing that you need to do is to select an expense category from the list. Then you click Record Expense and the expense is recorded and part of your bookkeeping. No further actions needed. Number two, track mileage. When you drive for your business, for example, to do work for your client, you can claim mileage. Open Kletta app, click Track Mileage. In the beginning of journey, press Start. At the end of the journey, press Stop, Confirm, and select the business purpose for your trip. And then the miles are automatically saved for your bookkeeping. Number three, raise sales invoices. When you do work for your client and you want to raise an invoice, you can do that easily within Kletta app. So within Kletta app, you have already created the services and the products that you are selling for your client. So you select New Sale, you'll select the service or the product that you are selling for the client. You'll add that to the shopping chart. Select Invoice as a payment method. Select whether it's an existing client. Select the client from the list. Confirm the details. Select the due date for an invoice. And then, if you so will, add additional notes for this invoice. And the invoice is sent as an email to your client. As simple as that. Number four, you can take card payments through this sum up reader, which is connected to your Kletta app. So simply select card payment as a payment method. Then the Kletta app is connecting to the sum up reader. And then simply swipe the card in front of the sum up reader and the payment is automatically processed within few seconds. As simple as that. Number five, you will have a real-time overview of your income, expenses, and an expected tax bill for your business. In Kletta app, just click Summary and you will get an overview of your income, expenses, and the tax estimate. And you can do further drill downs to see the exact business records, sales, and expenses. Finally, at the end of the tax year, you can prepare your self-assessment within Kletta app. Kletta has automatically recorded your income and expenses, and they are readily available for your self-assessment. And all of this is easily available on the go. So Kletta is a comprehensive toolkit for sole traders who want to do the things easily on the go.